Hi friends, welcome! Today we are going to draw Santa. We start drawing the nose, the mouth, and paint it. We draw happy eyes. And now, the Christmas hat. Do you like Santa? He is funny and has presents. Okay, now we draw the back with the presents. We finish the arm and the hat. Now we draw the belt. And paint it. Very nice! If you like this video, you can subscribe and press the like button. We finish the belt. And now, the rest of the body. We draw the legs now. And the boots. The other hand. Santa is so happy, right? Now we have to paint the drawing. See you on the next video. Bye.